Hi everyone, this is Emily here at the Children's Literature Training Academy. I'm very excited to show you these absolutely gorgeous and incredible, highly recommended science nonfiction books for your homeschool classroom, for your kids who love animals and science, for your regular classroom if you're a teacher. They are so big I can't even fit them fully in my camera. I can turn them this way. So I'm going to show you the inside of each book, talk about them. These are books that have been recommended by teachers and homeschool parents, and for nominated for awards for their absolutely gorgeous illustrations. This is the Atlas of Animal Adventures and the Atlas of Ocean Adventures. And basically, it's all about animals in their habitats geographically on the planet in certain areas. So the books are going to be, I will link them below for Amazon if you want to check them out or think about picking up one of these. My favorite is the ocean one. It's absolutely amazing, incredible and beautiful. You probably can't even fully see the whole book. So it starts out with this map of all of the continents and the oceans. And what it's going to show you is what is alive and kicking in each ocean environment as far as marine life. So if you want to do a homeschool lesson on marine life in the Atlantic Ocean or the Pacific Ocean, you can do all of the animals. You could just do one of the animals. This kind of shows you all the different animals in this sort of visual atlas you're going to be looking at in this book. And then again, we have the continents, and we can see where some of these animals are. The United States, we have the sea otters. We go all the way out here to Samoa, Hawaii, Tahiti. So you can kind of see some of these specific creatures in relation to the continent in the ocean, different oceans. But then we get into the specifics. So here we have the spinner dolphins of Hawaii, right? So we have a little bit of information at the bottom, and we have these beautiful graphic arts with facts about the dolphins, how they live, what they eat, what they do. And we get into the leatherback turtle, how they migrate. This one is gorgeous. The sea otters off the coast of the USA as well. We have Costa Rican lanternfish. We have off the Cocos Island, the hammerhead sharks. I'm not kidding. These books are absolutely gorgeous. I actually enjoyed looking at these books. The blue-footed boobies off the Galapagos Islands. If you're a teacher walking around a classroom showing this book to kids, I think they'd love it. And then reading it to them, maybe doing a little lesson around any of these particular animals, marine life, animals or environments or habitats. I think they would love it. Probably anywhere from 2nd all the way to 5th grade. Turkish Australia. We have more in Australia. Sand dragons, angelfish. Here we have, moving into the Atlantic Ocean, the great white sharks off of South Africa. Octopus is off to South Africa. Look at the artwork, is just beautiful. And very interesting tidbits. For example, if threatened, an octopus can release a puff of ink, clouding the water so it can slip away, as well as making a smoke screen. The ink dulls the hunter's sense of smell. So we learn very interesting, useful facts. Whale sharks, Mexico, Caribbean. This is beautiful. Lightfoot crabs in Brazil. Woo, sorry, I keep bumping my camera. This is a big book. I mean, talk about, if you picked up both of these two books for your homeschool classroom or for your grandkids. They're gonna love these books. Indian Ocean, saltwater crocodiles on the Andaman Islands. Crocodiles are cold-blooded. This means that they depend on the sun's heat to control their temperature. Great little bits of learning facts in here. My grandson is only 9 months old. Otherwise, I would save these books for him because I think he would love them. But I'm giving them to my son, who's a 5th grade teacher. Bobbit worms, Indonesia, more Australia. Seahorses in Madagascar. Sorry, I can barely fit these in the camera. Arctic Ocean, sea otters, Canada. Here we have all about the oceans and danger and why. You could definitely arrange an entire unit studies around endangered species or oceans in danger. And here we have a can you find. So all of these creatures you can find in the book. So you can have your child pick one of these creatures and try to spot them in the book. And then read with them a little bit of info about the creature. And let's look at the other one, which is basically land animals. And it's the Atlas of Animal Adventures. Same thing, but land animals. Beautiful inside. Here again, we have this map with pandas in Asia and beavers and bears, North America. Here we have all of the animals, which again, you'll probably want your child to find in the book. Here we have Africa, Kenya, fruit bats in Zambia. Gorgeous book. Hippos in Botswana. Polar bears, Greenland. Puffins in Iceland. Honeybees in the British Isles. You can see that whole thing here. Barn owls in France, and in Asia, the Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger. I can pull my camera out just a little. Peacocks from India. Elephants in Sri Lanka. Great pandas of China. Here we have the paradise birds in New Guinea. Sockeyed salmon in Alaska. Caribou in Canada. Hummingbirds in Costa Rica. Galapagos Islands, leafcutter ants. Any animal lover, kids would love these books. These are the Arctic birds, the Wattle Sea. Absolutely beautiful. So I will link both of these below. The price can be around $18 to $25 per book, depending on when you get it or grab it. Definitely worth every penny. So we have the Atlas of Ocean Adventures and the Atlas of Animal Adventures. I think you will love them. Thank you for watching. I just did a video a couple days ago of a highly recommended award-winning science book called I Ate Sunshine for Breakfast. Please check that out, and I will link it below. See you in another video.